na lang, ha? Sorry anak, kasi mga ano eh.
Oh, you like the paper that said don't be stupid? Like the paper that said? Okay, how did that person get the driver's license?
Aha, that's right.
I think they just showed, I think they had an older brother and they showed the older brother picture.
That's right. Yes.
Or the older sister.
That's right.
At least there's more people that are better drivers than that crazy person.
The boba ito, boba.
It's boba time.
It's boba time.
Oh my God.
Where are we gonna park?
I know. Oh, park!
Let's go find a parking spot for our boba. Come on.
Ooh, no, that's too small. Isn't this too small? Yes, here.
Dito tayo.
Here.